दुनिया में शांति कितनी जरूरी है ये हम सभी जानते हैं और अलग अलग क्षेत्र के लोग अपने अपने तरीके से दुनिया में शांति का संदेश देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। महर्षि यूनिवर्सिटी में द अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर ग्लोबल पीस यूएसए और द यूनाइटेड नेशंस यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर ग्लोबल पीस द्वारा राष्ट्र को स्थायी रूप से विकसित और मजबूत बनाने के लिए वैश्विक शांति मुद्दे पर एक सेमिनार आयोजित किया गया। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत द अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर ग्लोबल पीस के चांसलर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मधु कृष्णन का स्वस्ति वाचन के साथ स्वागत और गुरु पूजन से की गई।
I'm so much delighted to see the chairman, His Excellency, and the Chancellor, His Excellency, Dr. Ajay Srivastava ji, a great dynamic person, very humble, down to earth, smiling face. And I was just telling him when I met him just in the front that Ambani looks like you. I didn't say you look like Ambani, Ambani looks like you. Understand the importance and gravity. And again I added, of course, Ambani is a great man in the commercial sector. You are more superior than Ambani because of your humanitarian work, the education work, socio-economical development work which you are doing through this great institution, Maharishi Institution, Maharishi University. We salute you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Along with my team is Mr. Dr. Neeraj Tandon ji.
इस कार्यक्रम में अलग अलग क्षेत्र के गणमान्य व्यक्ति मौजूद रहे। वहीं इस मौके पर महर्षि यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर श्री अजय प्रकाश श्रीवास्तव को ह्यूमन एक्सीलेंस गोल्डन अवार्ड से नवाजा भी गया।
Unity among diversity. All of you. You can like this. No, it's something wrong. See, like this. Hand like this. Yes. All of you can do that. All. Everybody. Good. So, unity among diversity. India इतना अच्छा सुंदर देश है, कहीं भी दुनिया में चले जाओ, इससे अच्छा देश नहीं है.
One of the very interesting things, sir, that you're talking about is peace. Everybody talks about peace. Everybody knows that peace is very important. Global peace is very important for the world. But so far, other than talking about peace, no clear formula has come up. But fortunately for our generation, His Holiness Maharshi Mahesh Yogi ji gave a formula for world peace or global peace, we can call it. In I think around 86, he gave a formula for world peace, and the formula was very simple. He had not only gave the formula in theory, he demonstrated it by practical experience that peace is possible by regular practice of a group of individual practice of transcendental meditation and advanced Vedic technologies by a group. And Maharshi asked all the governments all over the world that instead of spending money on force in military and army and accumulation of arms and ammunition, they should create a group of people practicing Vedic technology, which is coming from this country. The technology of peace is in the ancient scripture of our country, and that's what Maharshi ji brought out. And he says with the guarantees, and I repeat those words that Maharshi ji said, that peace is only possible by the Vedic technologies from India. And he gave a formula that square root of 1% of the population in one place practicing together these technology that Maharshi ji has made can create world peace all over the world. And that formula, now the government, all governments have tried all different kinds of formula they talk about buying arms and ammunition and missiles and this tanks and all these things. They think that will create peace. That will not create peace. That will create more war. That there is no formula for peace other than coming from this country, other than what Maharshi ji has proposed.
इस कार्यक्रम में महर्षि यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर भानु प्रताप सिंह ने ऑनलाइन अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई।
Chief guest, esteemed guest, delegates and colleagues, it has been a matter of great pleasure and honor for me to attend this session and listen to such an eminent personality, His Eminence Professor Madhu Krishnan, founder chairman of Academic of Universal Global Peace USA, who graciously accepted our invitation to visit the Maharishi University. I heartily and sincerely thank to Professor Krishnan for visiting us and giving us an opportunity to gain from his experience and wisdom and interact with him. Thank you very much, sir, for this visit, and we would definitely like to keep in touch with you and anticipating more such visits.
वहीं डायरेक्टर जनरल प्रोफेसर ग्रुप कैप्टन डॉक्टर ओपी शर्मा और यूनिवर्सिटी के सभी स्कूल्स के डीन्स और फैकल्टी मौजूद रहे।
Why do we have to worry about peace? Why this mission has been taken by Chancellor of American University for Peace, Dr. Madhu Krishnan? It is because now is the time when we have to live and live happily, live with dignity. As our Honorable Chancellor conveyed to all of you, the living life by itself is the fundamental right, is the human right. And we cannot live with dignity without having peace around us. Dear friends, it is all inside out. In 2016, UNO passed a resolution to give us 17 sustainable goals, SDG as we call them, Sustainable Development Goals. The fourth goal is quality education. 16th goal is peace and justice, strong institutions. And 17th is partnership for sustainable development. And today we have the partnership with them. We are so happy about it. We are partnering with them. We will have those formalities to be completed, and I want to give credit for all this to our friend, young friend, Pawan Patel. Please clap for him. Pawan, please.